Okay folks, well we're back again, and tonight we are going to make another one of my favorites because I'm cooking and I like to make my favorites. And we're going to make fried chicken tonight, and I hope you like some fried chicken. Specifically, I'm going to be frying up some legs and thighs because those are my favorite parts. I also like wings. I'm not a big fan of breasts. To me they're just too dry. I like the dark meat better. But to each their own. Keep in mind while we're doing this that the larger the piece of chicken that you're frying is going to require a longer cook time. So a piece of breast that's fairly good sized is going to take longer than, say, a chicken leg or a wing before it's done. And so please keep it in mind. And so we're going to turn around here and we're going to get started. Follow along. Okay, so I'm going to get some gloves on here. So, notice I got one dirty hand and one clean hand here. I made up myself this fried chicken rub. And what this is 4 parts white pepper, 4 parts ground cayenne pepper, and 1 part smoked paprika. Now, in case a fun fact, white pepper is simply black pepper with the black outside removed. And this stuff is pretty darn fine, but I like spicy food, so I'm in the process of making some good spicy chicken here. Oh, in place of smoked paprika, you could also use chili powder. Chili powder is smoked peppers as well. Paprika is a pepper. Oh, I got missed a piece there. Totally missed a piece. Now then, I'm going to get a little breading station set up here. If you saw my video on how to make Jaeger schnitzel, it's going to be virtually identical. Okay, so now I don't want this to be intimidating because I am intending to teach people who don't know a lot about fried chicken how to fry chicken. But right now we've got our chicken. This is cornstarch, and in this pan is 3 eggs, with about a couple ounces of water and all mixed up. Then over here I've got flour, just regular all-purpose flour with pepper, salt, and a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder in there. And then over here in the pan we've got our oil that's starting to heat up right now. Now then, let me tell you, you can absolutely make great fried chicken by taking a paper or plastic bag and filling it full of your flour mixture here. Coat your chicken in the flour and put it directly into the oil. Or you can go a little more fancy like this. Either which way. If you don't have all the stuff, flour works just fine. Okay, so I think my oil is coming up to temperature here. I'm going to keep a pair of tongs handy, we'll need those. And I'm just going to take a leg to start with. We're going to go right straight into our cornstarch here. Into our egg mixture, egg water mixture. Into our flour mixture. Like so. And then we're going to put it right straight into our pan. I got about a ½ inch of oil in there. You want to lay your chicken in. That'll keep you from splashing it all over your kitchen. Sometimes when you flip them over, you'll get a big loud rush of steam coming out of it, which is the water exiting the piece of meat there. Don't be scared, it does happen. It did happen a little bit on that one right there. So sometimes it can get really pretty rowdy with you. Again, when you're flipping your pieces, you want to make sure you're kind of laying them over gently, so you're not splashing the great oil or whatever kind of cooking oil or Crisco, or this is a generic name, but shortening, large, whatever you're using. That one. I can get rid of my nasty glove and start cleaning up on them things here. I don't need any of these foil pans anymore. I got a piece over here that looks like maybe I took it out a little too soon. Getting rowdy in there. And you see some blood popping out of that. That means it's not quite done yet. I'll go ahead and cut my heat down. I believe that's done now. We're going to let this cool for a little bit. Ooh. Silly. Is that a good looking plate of chicken or what? Alright folks, I made myself some chicken gravy to go with this. Chicken milk gravy, absolutely one of my favorites. Alright folks, if that doesn't look like a meal fit for a king or a queen, got mashed potatoes with chicken gravy, chicken milk gravy on it, my fried chicken, some broccoli there, some bread and butter. That's all it takes. Not rocket science. So let's get turned around. Alright folks, so there we go. We got some good crispy fried chicken here. Not as hot and spicy as I thought it'd be, or that I had hoped for, but it's darn good fried chicken, and I'm pretty pleased with that. Folks, you can see it's not rocket science to make good fried chicken. You can do this, and don't let fear hold you back. There's only one way to do it. That's get in there and jump in and just go at it. So folks, do me a favor. If you like what you're seeing, down here in the bottom right hand corner, hit like and subscribe. And stay tuned. There's always more to come.